So let me show you how to make a table of contents using the free version of Microsoft Word that you find online. First thing that you want to do is click down here in your normal text, and then on the home banner right here where it says normal, right click it and then say update normal to match this selection, and it does that now. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here into the very top. I'm going to add a space simply by going Shift Enter, and that will add one space for me, as you see there. And I'm going to click in that space. Now I'm going to click on to References, and then right here where it says Insert Table of Contents, go ahead and click that now. And there it is. It's now added a basic table of contents that matches my contents of my lesson that I teach on that day. And here you can see actual page numbers and the heading from each of those areas there. And this works every time. So there you go. You now know how to add a table of contents to any of your documents or works that you've been working with in the Microsoft Word. Now these steps actually work within the free version of Microsoft Word that you find on Office there that you can use in your Chromebook, but they also work in all the other versions of Microsoft Office that you, such as the Pro version or the 365 versions that you may have on your Windows computers. And if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and if you have an idea or question about how to do something with a Chromebook or with your Windows machine, please leave it down as a comment and I'll be sure to answer those questions there in a future video. Thank you very much and you have a good day. Bye-bye. And if you're new to doing all of this with Chromebooks or within Microsoft Office and you want free lessons and free classes, I have those right in my playlist up there. So you can check those out up there.